Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to see your story in TikTok on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok. Then in the bottom right corner, click on your profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Next is Settings and Privacy. Here we select Activity Center. Next we can see your browsing history, comment history, and search history. Select Browsing History. Here we can see all our history, any videos we've seen. And they're all here. If we want to delete any of these videos, we press Select here at the top. We select a video and press Delete. And then our history will be cleared. We can also see more history in the comments. I don't have any. And we can also see our search history. This is how easy it is to see your history in comments, browsing, and searching in TikTok. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give a like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.